Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. Today's topic, the Kärcher window vacuum cleaner. Now, believe it or not, this machine's been with me over the past 15 years. Kärcher knew one day how to build durable devices, and this is one of them. Obviously, we like transparency. We like see-through windows. And therefore it's important to keep this guy running to its optimal performance. Now with time it started to fade a little bit, section fading, and it's about the right moment to share with you how to rejuvenate it, should yours be fading a little bit as well. And that's about the level of disassembly required for this project. Nothing unusual, nothing more than the standard disassembly, a religious cleaning of these parts. Make sure a lot of water flows through this pipe during the cleaning process. Yeah, and also very important here, focus. Okay, let's correct the focus. Here we have a sort of O-ring which goes inside of this cavity, and they often get stuck because that's what O-rings do when left with water containing detergent and probably some other components. And obviously the best solution is, once everything is clean and dry, just smear a little bit of silicone around all over the joint here. And there is also another portion where you can put some silicone. It is the one, focus, that goes here, which can be found on this side. This portion here, you can see there is also an O-ring, focus. Yeah, there is an O-ring. And if you put a little bit of silicone there, the assembly process will be extremely easy and pleasant. Obviously, you should never put silicone on the squeegee. That's a no-no, because removing silicone from caoutchouc, rubber, is a kind of hard experience. What you'll need next is an ordinary vacuum cleaner. Here I have a very nice example, a small sucker that I reviewed recently, which provides a nice level and good, proper, strong level of section, and that's how we come to use it. The trick here consists to try to unclog whatever eventual flint, dust or other objects may have been ingested by the section pipe of the Kärcher itself, because this is where the section comes from. This is where that's the right way to the little turbine downstairs, which actually is not a big deal. I've opened it as well, but that's a different story. So most probably you have some flints or other material accumulating inside in the way of the airflow. So if you reverse the airflow with another powerful one, well, chances are that we can unclog and remove some of that accumulated dust. Obviously, it has to be done on a clean, otherwise and above all, dry device. So here we go. We start the sucker. And that's about all it takes. Now, I did the first time this experience, maybe after, let's say, 15 years of ownership. Focus you. Okay, the other way around. For those interested in details, this unit has about 15 years in our household. Mainly use it for, I would say, car windows, and whenever It started to use a little bit of section, become less brilliant. This is how I unclogged it, and I gave it a lease of life for the next, I don't know, let's call it 10 years. Okay, that was all for today. If you like, hit the like button. If you enjoy such videos, subscribe. In any case, have a fabulous, fantastic day. Thank you. Bye-bye.